Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Data Logics. Today we are going to learn what is Descript AI, how to use Descript AI, and we will see example of Descript AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we will see what is Descript AI. So Descript AI is a software tool that convert your text into audio. Now let's see example of it. So first go to the audio project. Then here I am giving a title Data Logics. After that I've already copied a text, so I am pasting it here. Then select add speaker and choose speaker of your choice. Here I am selecting Dawn. Then play. It is monitoring the text. After that it will be converted into audio. Now play it again.
Welcome to Data Logics, your premier destination for cutting-edge data analysis and technology insights. If you're fascinated by the power of data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, you've come to the right place. At Data Logics, we delve deep into the world of data science, sharing informative videos, tutorials, and discussions that demystify complex concepts and make them accessible to everyone. Join us on this journey to unlock the potential of data and stay at the forefront of the digital age. Subscribe today and embark on an exciting data-driven adventure with us.
Now you can export this audio on your mobile phone, PC, etc. by clicking here. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share. You all can follow us on YouTube, Insta and LinkedIn. Till then, take care. Bye bye.